Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, you remember that guy? Mr. Fluffy himself. So basically today's video, we are basically starting Fluffy 2.0.
New speaker edition.
Ooh, coming through suit. So basically guys, I won't be able. Sorry for that. Basically guys, I won't be able to video today as I'm going to work, so I'm gonna hand over the camera to Nathan, so he will try and record the process of the day. I think you're gonna go collect it.
Yeah.
Motor is being collected today.
Basically, we're gonna go and collect the motor today, motor gearbox, and the body itself.
Ooh, can't wait.
Yeah.
Nice. Right guys, so yeah, stay tuned for what's to come. Fluffy 2.0 coming through soon. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna hand over the camera to Mr. Nathan right here. And don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more content. And when 2.0 is done, we're definitely gonna do a feature. Am I right?
Yes. Tips.
Ooh, can't wait. Anyways, enjoy the rest of the video, guys.
Right guys, this is a Rimoni, and he is the owner of the channel. We're heading out to go get the motor, the box, and the body. So stay tuned. So guys, welcome back. We got a bit of sad news. We have to wait a little while for the motor and the gearbox, because I just got a notification on my cell phone to say that the motor and gearbox is not yet done. They are doing currently the final add-ons assembly basically, and we need to go fetch the body at past 6, because the ex-owner of the body is only getting it home at past 6. So we just waiting time off now. So we'll see what we can do in the meanwhile to push time. So yeah, stay tuned. So guys, it's now 22:03. I totally forgot that there was a hiccup on the setup. So basically what that means is I forgot that my dictator management has a 8-pin dizzy plug. So basically it's the Primera dizzy plug and not the old speak dizzy with the external coil. It's the plug for the dizzy with the internal coil. So we're just going now to the Boulders to go fetch the distributor and swap it out for the 8-pin Primera dizzy. So back on the road, here my driver. So yeah, stay tuned. So guys, we currently on our way to MR Motorspace. They basically specialize in nursing for all SR twin engine family, but they do all engine families of the Nissan range, from GA to MG, SR20, VG, basically a lot, and they sell good second-hand parts, I must say. And yeah, I never had a problem with these services before, but yeah, we like 5 to 10 minutes away from the place. If I get there, I will drop all the information of this motorspace, MR Motorspace, in the description below with contact details, everything. So if you need space concerning SR20 or any version, you can just contact MR Motorspace and they will sort you out. kind of struggling. The people with the motor and gearbox wasn't done, and the guy of the body we had to collect it ended up being a little bit late. And as we know, it's COVID-19 lockdown, and we didn't get the body yesterday. But surprisingly, this morning when I woke up, they already brought the body, so the body is at home. We currently driving from Elsie's right now, with the motor in the back. So stay tuned, and we'll give you an update soon.